everybody, Marshall with bodybuilderai.com, and today we are going to be going over how easy, how simple it is to build an app in today's day and age. We are going to be using Google AI Studio for this presentation. So you're going to need a Google account to get started. I am not going over how to get started on a Google account. If you don't have one, go ahead and get one. But once you do, you go over onto Google AI Studios and get set up there, and then you should be taken to this screen here. Once you get to this screen, you're going to want to go over to the build section. Okay, once you're over to this build section, you're going to want to put in this section here a prompt, something that your mind was thinking of what app you want to build here. It's very simple. So what I've done already is provided a prompt for a habit tracker. Again, very simple prompt. Make a habit tracker where users can add habits, check them off daily, and see streaks. Include a progress dashboard with charts and a dark and light mode toggle. It's that simple. That's what I put in here, and this is what app it's going to build. So just by using that little amount of text, but being very straightforward in this prompt, is where you're going to get your best results. As you can see, Google is kind of showing you what it's doing, you know, in text form. Now, in this part of the app here, is it's showing you how it's being built in the code. It's building its files. It's showing you its work. You know, it's a lot of information, you know, just being presented to you in front of you. But essentially, you don't need to know any of this code here. It's just showing you what it's doing. When it's all done building, it'll go into the preview mode. And the preview mode is where you'll see your app. You'll see the visualizations. You'll see what it was created. And on the left-hand side, right there, I'll show you right here. This right here is where you'll make changes to the app once it's already been built. So if you don't like the way it looks, if you don't like, you know, some of the functions in it, this is right here is where you will change that. So it's created this app called Zenith Habits. Now we can change that name just by asking it to make those changes right down here. But before we do that, let's just work in this app and see. Okay, the dark mode works. Awesome. Let's see if we can add a new habit. Okay, let's do so it gives us the option. It gave us some emojis to use. That's pretty cool. Let's do that. Let's use the guy flexing his muscles here. Let's say workout for 15 minutes. Let's add that habit. Okay, great. Awesome. So we have, oh, look at that. So we have this little check mark here. Awesome. So that's saying, hey, we did it. See, oh, 0 days, 1 day. Okay, we've done it. All right, so I mean, if we wanted to add stuff to this app, like change its name, change its color, we just come on over here. Let's change the name. Change the app name to My Habits. And also change the colors of the app. Just simple text like that. Just, you can make small changes, you can make big changes, but again, you're going to want to kind of work inside this app, find out what you want to add to it, find out what you want to change to it, and then you ask it to make those changes right there. in that text box. And again, you can see that there's changes being made to these files. And when that it's done working, you'll see the results. All right, great. So it changed the name, made it My Habits, changed the color, which is great. So today we just went over how simple it is to build an app using Google AI Studios. Okay, you can do this with so many other creations, so many other things that you've had in your mind and you didn't know how to make it. Google AI Studios makes it so easy to take those thoughts of creation and put them into words and have the AI take care of it for you. Again, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and share it, and I will make some more videos on showing you how to go even further using Google AI Studio. Thanks again, Marshall with bodybuilderai.com.